Remove the cartridge from its packaging. Peel off the protective tape from the cartridge. Now, open the front cover of the machine. Open the cartridge compartment and gently insert the cartridge into its designated slot. Press it firmly and close the front cover. The machine will automatically detect the cartridge. Once detected, the cartridge status will appear on the screen. Tap Done to complete the installation. Take the test paper and place it onto the print test base provided in the kit. Insert the print test base into the finger deck slot. On the screen, select Cartridge Test and tap Start. The machine will begin the printing test automatically. Once the test is complete, remove the finger deck and check whether the printed pattern is clear and properly aligned. To calibrate the machine, select Print Calibration from the screen and tap Print. The machine will perform the calibration automatically. Once completed, check the printed result to ensure everything is perfectly aligned.